Welcome to 101 Ways to Transform the Way You Cook. This is the introduction, the why I wrote this book. I wanted to share it with you, so I'm going to read it. During COVID lockdown, I decided to write this booklet, this guide. Why? One afternoon, after purchasing my groceries, I drove past the local MacDonald's store. There was a line so far down the road, it really puzzled me, really did. I understand that takeout is part of our society. I too am part of this. When I'm busy and just need something quick to eat and am passing through my local takeout store, I buy takeout and take it home. Having a restaurant myself, we would not survive without our local community. The line was what really concerned me the most. It was at least half an hour's wait. We need patience and time for things we need. We seem to have the time for them. What concerned me most was that these people waiting in their cars must think they need takeout. If I was a person that I would been waiting for over half an hour, I would have gone home. How we think today is something that really concerns me. A real headache. Do we know how to cook something simple? Are we becoming a society where we can't even think about what to put in a meal? Is our mind so cluttered and puzzled with fog that we can't even put a simple meal together? Credit card costs and the average person in debt is overwhelming. Have the big organisations, through their commercials and social media, brainwashed us to thinking that we can't put a simple meal together? That we need to bring them an order? We all complain that we are time poor, and yet we can wait for over half an hour and waste our petrol, time and money for a quick takeout. Half an hour. So even if it took another 15 minutes to get home, so that's 45, and 15 minutes to get there, that's an hour out of your day. We can easily put a quick meal together, healthy meal. Time can be a cost to our health on how we think. My question to you is it because it was quick and easy? How many times have you thrown it out? Food in the bin because it was too dry, greasy, yuck. Kept in the bain-marie. Who knows how much bacteria was even on it? Who knows how you felt sick from the greasy old oil, or even got food poisoning? So let's explore. We've never had takeout when I was growing up. My mother, Serena, was always inventive. The war and famine has a way of making you think, conserve and create. They say that necessity is the mother of invention. Serena would do simple things like fry old bread, cook up a quick pizza, pasta or barbecue. The simplicity of life. It made us grow easy and simple, and we never ever stressed at meal times. Neither did she. With the growing of each generation brings new life into maturity as we are constantly evolving. Exploring into our past can actually serve us to understand how far we have evolved. It can also teach us that we may need to return to our roots as we might have strayed too far. What I desire to say is that The simple things in life are the most important. They ease us. They make us smile. When I'm overwhelmed with too many things, it's the sun that makes me smile. It's the bird that just swept over and reminded me that life is beautiful. The simple meals my mother Serena used to make remind me of that. If I just remember this, then all is well with my soul, conserving the best of what makes me smile. The memory can transform into this generation and serve it well. To be a cook, one must feel, love, and be infectious with the human connection that food transmits to people. A simple meal shared across the table can take away the negative feelings that once have felt through the whole day. A tribe of aunties laughing outside at something funny as a childhood memory I want to share with you. Do we have any of those aunties around now? I'm sure that they had many things that they were concerned about. And when they were together, all they had was food and laughter. And the concerns just flew away. They went away, as life does. When you give too much to something, it has the power over you. When you let it go, it's just easy. When we bring laughter into the equation, we are transformed. To become a great cook, we need simple steps that will guide us. Everyone around us will taste it through our food. This book is simple, easy, and will guide you. Overall, you are the person who will be transformed in this process. Everything you need is already in you. We sometimes just need a little nudge to awaken us, along with the steering of my mother Serena to guide us into this generation of takeout. Remember the KISS principle. Keep it simple. Carmela.